Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Javi. In this video I would like to talk about our aura. Our aura is our energy signature. It is pretty much the field around us that extends outside of our physical body. Now this aura, we can charge it to be very strong and to strengthen our immune system. It is also what people pick up on when you sense someone's energy first, or when someone senses your energy. Now, it was also said that when you strengthen your aura, you actually activate your DNA as well, and you can also go into activating your rainbow body. The center is in our heart. So to have a strong aura, have a strong electromagnetic field, and be supremely healthy, it all centers in the heart. And from with our heart, it expands, kind of like a protective shield. And this aura blocks energy as well. It expands your heart love energy. The reason I wanted to bring up the aura is because it is very, very, very important to have a strong, beautiful aura. A lot of people have not invested in how to develop their aura, and one good way of doing it is by what we've always mentioned in these videos, is by being present, being in your pure observation. When you're in your pure observation, your awareness is here in this physical body, and it expands it as a channel, as a frequency for others to tune into, kind of like a tuning fork. You resonate that frequency and other people end up vibrating in the same frequency, just like tuning forks. Also, a good way to strengthen your aura is through eating healthy, vibrant, living foods. I'm going to make a lot of videos on nutrition, specifically on vibrant, living foods. I'll go into it just a tad in this video. A healthy, vibrant, living food is something that still has its cellular structure intact. It still has the living life within that fruit or vegetable. That's pretty much the essence of that life, still alive. The aura of the apple is still intact, and when you consume that food, it nourishes your immune system, your body, your energy gets charged as well. Exercising, when you exercise, what you end up doing is you end up having your energy go throughout the body. It circulates, the flow of energy starts to open up, clear all the paths, and there is no blockages. And when there's no blockages, all your energy centers are open. I will make more videos on the chakras, your chi energy, prana, all of these things. So that way, here in this physical body, you live at your optimal and full potential. The priority here is to be in your heart, in your presence, in your stillness, and we ground that into this physical vessel, which is just a vessel, and in this vessel we work on this vessel to further enjoy this life. This is only a temporary moment in this physical body, but we can also live it and enjoy it in the healthiest way for the meantime that we have it. Thank you guys, love you guys, namaste. Please subscribe to my channel, comment on whatever you're observing, and any inputs you may have. like this video, share it if you feel compelled to share it. Until next video, love you guys. Namaste, Amitabha, peace, all is love.